to the new video, which is acid rain. Okay, so let's get started. So, is acid rain a fictional story or is it a natural disaster? Well, it is natural disasters such as tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, etc. So, what is acid rain? Yeah, as we know that the cloud is a pure water, but when they reach the Earth's surface, they contain a little acid on it. This doesn't cause any problems. But why does this acid get formed? That's because they get mixed into the carbon dioxide which is in the atmosphere. That's why people say to plant more and more trees. Correct? This contains a pH of 6. But what is acid rain? See, when the clouds form, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere gets mixed into the cloud and thus cause acid rain. This contains the pH of 3. This is the shower we don't want to take, and this can spoil your immune system and can burn your skin. Usually, acid rain is red in color, correct? And what are the causes of acid rain? The natural causes of acid rain are rotting of vegetation such as plants, saplings, trees, etc. Throughout sulfur dioxide, and as I told you, this causes acid rain. And the man-made chemicals which cause acid rain are smoke coming from vehicles, chemicals released from factories, and burning of fossil fuels cause acid rain. Got it? So, acid which contains water is called wet deposition, and acid which contains gases such as carbon dioxide, etc. is called dry deposition. Because as you know, water's wet and gases are dry. So, wet deposition and dry deposition. So, again, revise and recall the two types of acids are wet deposition and dry deposition. Got it? Did you know where acid rain happens so far? Yeah, in these countries: Poland, Scandinavia, Northeast America, China, Taiwan, India. Did you know where in India? Which state in India? Yeah, God-owned country, Kerala. Now, did you know that global warming gets formed by acid rain also? Yeah, if acid rain occurs in one place, in the same place global warming also occurs. Did you know why? Because acid rain burns and damages all plants and animals, and this affects the environment, and lots of and many carbon dioxide gets stored into the atmosphere. And did you know that more carbon dioxide, more rising of average temperature, which is caused by global warming? So acid rain